this video, we will show you how to enter your business information into the XeEats platform. This is a basic guide, and by the end of this video, you will know how to navigate the system to include your business information. Firstly, we're going to log into the XeEats system. From here, click on System Settings on the header of the website to show a drop-down menu. There are many system settings that you can alter to personalize your website, but for now, we're going to click on Edit Restaurant Info. On this page, you can see your restaurant's contact details. This includes your business name, your business email, telephone number, and address. If you wanted to be very specific, you can also include the longitude and latitude of your business. You can change the type of food your restaurant sells by clicking on the text box here. Here you have your business's branding. You can add and change images for your website here, including your logo, fave icon, a home screen icon, a top image, a bottom image, an About Us image, and 4 promotional images. You can also change the color of any buttons on your website. Next, you have the homepage settings, where you can input custom HTML code for your restaurant's front page, thanks page, and closed page. You can also change the banner title and the banner subtitle. You can include text to go on the right-hand side of your menu page, and also whether or not you'd like to enable table booking. Underneath this, you have your business's privacy policy, which is already pre-saved onto your website. All you need to do is type in the business name and any other information that you need to add. You have your website's terms and conditions, which again are pre-saved, ready for you to add your information. Here you can enter allergy information for your customers, letting them know what to do if they have any food allergies. You have your social media links for all major social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Google, Instagram, YouTube, TripAdvisor, and LinkedIn. You also have special offer links, which you can provide your customers with so they can receive a discount or offer. This has been a tutorial on how to enter your restaurant information. Keep an eye out for our other guides on our website, and thank you for watching.